Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all doing well. So in this video, we'll be sharing our experience and thoughts of some watch strap that we've bought from Amazon for Galaxy Watch Ultra. So let's start checking them out. Just before we start checking the watch strap out, I'll just show you the previous one that I've bought, which was this one, which I've got a video out on my channel as well if you want to have a look. So this is a bezel that we've put on, which I've just edited the video that will be out soon. So I'll put the watch aside and get the first strap, which is this one, nylon strap for Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 22mm. They come with adapters. This is a navy one. So here we go. It feels nice. It's got a nice pattern and texture to it, and the material nylon feels good as well. Comes with adapters. It comes with magnetic clamps. As you can see, the magnetic pull is quite strong, which is good. The only thing is the adapters are black. I couldn't find a silver one, so let's try this on and see how it looks. But in terms of the elasticity of the band, is quite firm, so that's nice. Feels good as well. So one good thing is that it's obviously one size, so it goes very small or it can be very large if you want, because magnetic clamps moves up and down, so you can actually make it smaller or bigger. So basically at the back you got this here, you pull it open and then you can move it up and down and adjust it to your needs. So if you got a very small wrist like mine, you can make it really small. If you got a bigger wrist, I guess you can make it bigger. So let's try this one on and see how it looks. So I'll take the previous strap off and put the new one on. So let's try it on. You can make it tight as you like. It's actually quite easy and feels quite good. What do you guys think? It feels really comfortable, I must say. More comfortable than the silicone watch strap. The only thing I don't like is this, the adapter sticking out, and that could be because I have a very small wrist. If the watch was smaller, it wouldn't look so bad. But this side, it looks fine. Actually, it's because the strap is on a loop here, so it's going in and coming out, so it's quite a bit of thickness here, which is actually making it look a bit bumpy here. But if I had a bigger wrist, it wouldn't look so bad. I would have preferred it to be like this side really, so perhaps not a double loop, but it does feel really comfortable and nice to wear, particularly for the summer. I guess it'd be even nicer. What do you think? I think the black looks a bit funny with the white. I wish I could find white or silver adapters. That would have looked much better. Anyway, I like it. It's very nice. The only thing is the loop that's sticking out a bit too much for me, and like I said, it could be because of the fact that my wrist is very small. So comment down below and let me know your thoughts about how you feel the watch looks with this strap. And just to show you, just off my hand as well, how it looks. I like the fact that it makes it very thin and light and comfortable to wear. You don't actually feel that there is a strap on. So this one, the braided magnetic watch strap for the Ultra, is £9.99. There's multiple color option on Amazon. The only thing is with the adapters, majority of the colors come with the black, and I think only 2 or 3 colors come with the silver adapters, and I wasn't keen on those colors. But anyway, I'll leave all the link and the details of the Amazon product in the description box if you're interested. So moving on to the next watch strap. This is a premium watch band from Bouixel, and you can see even by the packaging it's a premium watch band. Again, made in China. This looks really nice. It's stainless steel connectors. Okay, so here we go. So I know my husband was really looking forward to this one, so it does look really nice actually. This one is 25 mm. So this is a ragged watch strap, so you can tell this is built to really take into consideration of what you would do with a ragged watch, you know, adventure and so forth. And it does look really nice. So just like the watch Ultra has its presence, you can see the connectors, they have their presence. It's actually I can feel its presence on my hand. It's quite heavy compared to the other watch strap I showed you. The buckle is also stainless steel, and you've got a little orange touch here, which I guess will look really nice when you put it on, because it will basically color coordinate with the quick button. So I think it'll look rather nice. Okay, let's quickly have a look around the strap. So it's got textures, brick-like textures, which feels quite nice. So this is premium rubber band. You can feel it. You've got two of those loop holders, so when you're putting this on, it will be safely tucked in. On the other side, you've got again the actual pattern of the brick. Doesn't have any sizing, but I guess it's fit for all in one size. And you can see at the back the connectors, the premium quality of the product. So the strap itself is black, and the options available in terms of color, I think white is available, black, but also the connectors available in black if you've got the all black Ultra. So let's connect those and see how it looks. Here we go. Here you go. Looks quite nice. The color goes well with the bezel, the new bezel that my husband put on. I think it'd have looked nicer if we could get hold of a white one. But they've only have silver and black for the connectors I'm talking about. In terms of strap class, it's only white and black available. So what do you think? Let me know. Let's put it on and see how it looks. Okay, so I guess that comes handy, because if you've got a small wrist, you have quite a bit of excess, so the second one comes handy. So here we go. Oh gosh, this looks huge on me, but if you've got a big wrist, it'll be fine. What do you think? It sticks out quite a lot. I think the only thing I don't like the fact that it doesn't have any flex here. So it's just literally, you can see the gap. Lift this up a bit. So there's a huge gap here. There's no flexibility on the connectors, so it's just literally hanging out. But if you have a big wrist, I think it would look absolutely fine. But because I've got a small wrist, my wrist is 16 centimeter, there's a big gap there. It feels good though, very strong. It's a very heavy duty watch band, definitely. That's why it's rugged, I guess. It's designed for adventure, so it's waterproof, very durable. It feels okay, feels comfortable. It's a bit thick and heavy. I guess you need that for a rugged watch. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this strap. This one is £22.99, and it's available in white and black. The connectors also available in black. If your watch is all black, you can color coordinate it. So anyway, I'll leave the link in the description box for Amazon if you're interested. Let's take this off and show you quickly how it looks. So at the back, like I was saying about the flexibility, this is like basically stuck in one position, it won't move. And I think if there was some sort of flexibility here, that would have been nice. If I show you the Pixel Watch's hinge, can you see the flexibility? When I put that on, although the connectors here is sticking out, because of the flexibility here, it kind of goes down against my skin and it looks fine. But this one doesn't have that flexibility and it sticks out, and I think that's what disappoints me. But I guess someone with a big wrist, it'll be fine. It's ultra wide, 25mm. I guess it gives that extra bulky look because of the wideness of the watch. It goes really well. Anyway, so this is the second strap. Let me show you the third one. So this one here is, again, it's a braided nylon strap. It's a trial loop and it's rather nice color. 22mm. So this one is a Ragged Adventure travel loop, and the connectors are metal, polished silver, and the buckle is also metal, but it's more of a like a grey frosty silver. It's very light and nice and comfortable. It's braided and you can feel there's a lot of elasticated movement on it. So the colors, I really like them. It complements really well. So you got the navy blue here, you got the lighter blue stripe there, and an orange stripe here, which actually will complement really well the quick button. And here you've got obviously the travel loop and Ragged Adventure written down, and then you've got this little orange pull to open up, whether you want to make it larger, smaller, or just buckle it up. And then you have here 4 different connecting points, so if you were to make it loose or tighter, you can do that. And of course this is going to hold quite hard. I think the only thing, you know, I want to mention here is the fact that if you've got a small wrist like myself, this will go all the way up to here, and if you're going to make it even smaller to here, you're looking at this going and over to your connector, and when you're pulling it open, it'll be there. So that might be a bit annoying. And the other thing I notice is these loose little threads. That's going to annoy me. But then again, you get what you pay for. This is quite cheap, I think, £9.99 or just under £10. I'll put all the details and information on the description box if you do want to check it out. So inside you have Velcro, which is what connects it. It is quite strong at the moment, but over usage, I don't know, Velcro do tend to get loose, but I don't know. It looks quite strong and feels quite good. Let's try it on and see how it looks. So let's take this off and put this on. Here you go. What do you think? I think it looks nice. You got the orange strap going that way, complementing the action button. And then you got the light blue strap on this side and the dark navy in the middle. It looks rather nice, and it's not very thick. It's quite nice and thin and very light, and it feels comfortable, so I'm sure it will feel comfortable to wear it. I think also the color goes really nicely with the white watch, and not to mention the adapters go really nicely. It's the same color as the chamfered edges and the bottom as well, so it actually complements it really nicely. The adapters actually looks like it's come with that, actually, to be honest. It fits really well as well, so I'm quite impressed with that. And if you open it up, so this is quite nice and thin. This side obviously you've got double stitch 2-side and connected, so I think the good thing is that you're not going to have this really round bend like you did with this one. It's quite flat because they've really stitched it up. So I'm not going to get that trouble of having really big one side sticking out, because they both look good. So let's try it on. Just as I feared, because I've got a very small wrist, the orange pull out little thing just come over. But anyway, I don't think anyone has small wrists like mine, so it shouldn't be like this for anyone else. So here we go. How does it look? Again, like I said, my wrist is very small, and the connectors obviously makes it look huge on me, but with a bigger wrist it'll look perfect. There's no double bend like the other one here. Same here. It looks rather nice. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. And then you got the buckle here, which is, I think, probably one of the nicest one I've seen, and also not much of a hassle to put on and take off. And there's not much of a gap on the edges either. It actually sits really nicely on my wrist, and it feels really comfortable. It's probably, out of the 3, this probably is the most comfortable one I'm using. I know my husband really likes this one as well, and it's probably one of his best one so far as well. I think the only thing is this watch designed with the strap going into the watch, it fits really nicely because it's designed to sit on your wrist, so the watch doesn't look so big. But with the adapters, it just looks a bit more bigger than it really is. So I really like this one, and I know my husband really likes this one. This one is also one of the cheaper version. I think it's under £10. I'll leave the link in the description box for your information. If there's any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So out of the three, I think my favorite is so far the one I'm using, this one. This one, I think it's a comfortable strap, but I don't like the loop. It makes it too thick and sticks out, and also the connectors, they only come in black. I would prefer to have the option of silver or white, and it doesn't have that. With this one, it's premium. The quality is there, but sadly I think it's very rigid. There's no flexibility on the connectors, and that makes the watch stick out more, and there's a huge gap between the watch and the wrist. So I think, although it's very nice and premium, I wouldn't use that. And I know my husband also found it awkward because it was just really bulking out as well. He didn't like it. His wrist is 17 centimeter and mine is 16, and even though his wrist is bigger than mine, it still looked awkward. So out of the three, this is my favorite because it's comfortable, it's not sticking out, it's well finished on the adapters as well. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section and which one do you prefer. If you have any questions, also leave it in the comment section and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all for today. I've got more videos coming out, more on the Watch Ultra, and also a comparison between the Ultra and the Pixel Watch 3. So do look out for those videos. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Thank you so much. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.